Alright, hi everybody. I'm gonna do a quick intro on Homestyler because there has been some updates and changes. Sharing this in the classroom so it's easier to use. I'm just logging in right now. I'm a little bit chilly, so don't mind me. Right, I hate all these pop-ups. One of the downsides of a Homestyler. Alright, so I'm gonna mimic the house that's at my, like here. I'm just gonna add like an extra floor. By the way, this thing in the corner, that's a person. And really quick, every time you see something blue that means it's selected, if you press escape twice or once, it should get rid of it. This is the house, 13 feet by 11 inches, 22 feet by 6. 13, if I click on this, I can stretch and make it bigger, shorter, make a yak, get my drift. I'm gonna make one more box, right, just for fun. Let me just put it right here. Yeah, I don't like it there. You know what I might do? I might erase this wall. Click on it, delete. And then I'll just stretch these doors in, or walls in. Anytime you have a closed area, it does that. Alright, might make this a little bigger, just for me. Alright, that is going to be the overall house. I'm going to add another level to this on the bottom left. I'm going to add one more floor, upper floor, confirm, right? So now there's 2 floors. So if I go switch to 2D, right now I just see second floor, first floor, there's no difference yet. Show all floors, you see a little elevated. Everyone got that? I'm gonna add a roof, but I'll add it afterward. Let me add my doors and windows and all that craziness. So, basic utilities. I think I'm gonna do one more scene because I want to have a bathroom, a nice bathroom. There we go. Okay, that'll be my bathroom. So bathroom, bedroom, and then just living and kitchen. So let me add my doors. And I have a door to the bathroom. It'll be a master bathroom. Door to the room. Right there. Gonna have a main door. Ooh, I got double doors. I'm gonna put double doors right here. Copy Dominican style. I'm gonna put double doors down here. Alright. Let me put windows, which is right next. Ooh, a French window. I don't know what that is. Alright, I'm gonna put a French window right there. French. And I'm gonna put another one right here. I'm gonna put a regular window right here. It's gonna be long. Oh, hold on, I didn't do it. Regular window right here. I'm gonna make it long. Right? And I'm gonna do something similar over here. Regular window. It's gonna be long. Regular window. It's gonna be long. Right? So, oh yeah, I have 2 more windows left. Regular window. Maybe French window. Over here. I have no idea what's a French window, but we're gonna find out. French window. I'm trying to do this faster because I only have like 5-ish, or I think I can do 10 minutes. Oh, it's not supposed to do that right now. One long window. I love windows. There are pros and cons to that. Alright, so you look at my house now. No color, just the overall design. Right? Beautiful. Right? You know, I should delete the floor and just copy that. Alright, add upper. There we go. Go for it. I hope it copies it. Did it copy it? Yes, it did. Okay, good. That was my goal, so it copies it. Alright, good. Switch, right? So on my first floor, I want my first floor to be different than my second floor. So what I'm gonna do different is I'm gonna customize everything. So I'm gonna click on the floor, replace material. I want it like this, and I'm gonna do the same over here. I want This one, yeah, I like that. Just make it nice and like different than the second floor. I'll replace material, right? And then second floor, I'm gonna replace the material. I'm gonna be slightly different, so I'm gonna do the last one, just to be unique. I haven't done the walls yet, so I found out they'll copy everything from the first floor. You gotta be considered. Actually, I like that. The white actually looks good. The white actually looks good. By the way, you could replace material. I want to say you could add a picture to it. Please choose mine. Yeah, you could add a picture right there. I have nothing. I uploaded nothing. Furby. A kid really liked Furby last year. Okay, so second floor, I'm gonna add now a roof to this. So the roof is right here. Cover it. Shed roof. Interesting. Oh, that reminds me of show all floors. Hold up. Oh, we have an issue. Alright, I see the issue here. I think I gotta get rid of this window and this window to add stairs. Right? And that will make sense. Alright, so let's do that. So don't show all floors. Yeah, show floors. Okay. Let me add the stairs. Stairs. You know what? I should do this in 2D view. Look at the stairs right here. We need to rotate the stairs. I don't like this. I gotta rotate it this way. Yeah, okay. Ooh, it doesn't want to let me. It doesn't want to let me. We will do it. We will do it. Why doesn't it doesn't want to let me? It doesn't want to let me. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna edit it. Okay. Alright, let's see how this looks. I've never done stairs before, so. Oh, that's long. Oh, what happened here? What happened here? Oh, I see what they're trying to do. I don't like that. That's ugly. That's ugly. Yeah, that's ugly. But alright. Alright, we'll have to deal with this. This looks ugly. I will rotate this. Yeah, I don't like that. I see why they did that. I don't like it. I might have to deal with that later. Wait, let me see if I can rotate it. Oh, can I could rotate it, sort of. Oh, I know you can do it. Oh, so you could actually deal with the stuff right here. Alright, I don't like that one. I don't like that one. Alright, let's do steps instead. Oh, the steps are too small. The steps are too small. Alright, so I do have to change the design. I gotta change the first floor. Alright, let's go back to the first floor. Right? I can't see all of it. Alright, so this door doesn't make sense here. This doesn't make sense here. This we could go all the way down. I'm gonna put the door over there. As you can see. Perfect. Alright. Now the last part is furniture. So I'm gonna go decorate. And well, actually I don't have to decorate. I can actually do customize. No, decorate. No, decorate makes sense. Decorate makes sense. But we should have been able to do customize. Customize actually does furniture to customize ceilings. Let me check my or all decor. Oh no, there no. Take that back. All decor. My house this way, so you could pick a decor and all the furniture in there are supposed to look for it. So I'm gonna click on something I like, bring it in, gonna bring this in here, right? And I'm gonna bring this one in here. I need to find a bathroom though. If I can find a bathroom, that would be great. Should I look for bathroom? Bathroom area. That's my bathroom. Ooh, my style. Right. Get that. The toilet. I brought the butt one. No, I can't do that. Has to be this one then. Alright. Yeah, there we go. That was ugly right there. I gotta move that in the middle. You gotta be in the middle. Can I put the shower? Yes, I can. Okay, there we go. And I think that's it. That's it for that. I don't want anything else. Alright. Room. I want living room and kitchen. So let's look for a living room. Free one. This one's free. Big couch right here. I might do 2 couches on my right there. TV. Put a TV right here. I don't know if I like this. But it's alright. And then the last one is the kitchen. Free. I'll do this one free. Alright, so I do want an island. Ooh, Mr. Lopez is liking this. Should I put a second one and just rotate it? I should. Yeah, let's rotate that. Nice. Oh, at the door. Oh, I messed up. Majorly. I should make this door smaller. Put it right there. Then I need a window. Alright, I think I'm done. I'm just gonna do one window there, and my house is done. And I did it super fast for everybody. I know it's gonna take you longer. 2D view. Not the best house, but better than no house. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I forgot that. I'll fix that later. But you get my idea. I hope this helps. Slow it down, repeat as much as you want. There's all these other features that I haven't used, but I want you to use to test it out. Enjoy.